Okay, so she is a registered nurse, specifically a 2D echo and ultrasound sonographer. So, sinasabi nga na sila yung eye of the healthcare. Sila yung unang nakakakita, di ba? Kapag bago ka pa ma-diagnose ng doktor. Ayan, so laboratory, yan. Yan ang buhay niya for decades already na working in hospital setting. And just a year ago, no, she decided to take a leap of faith and enter entrepreneurship, learn everything about this business. And right now, she's one of the directors in the team leading her group, her organization, her enterprise, 'di ba? In Isabela, in Cagayan, and all other parts of the globe. So let's now welcome, and as we welcome her, let's open our camera, 'di ba? Para talagang makafocus naman tayo and ma-ROI natin ng todo itong ating webinar tonight, yung paglalaanan natin ng oras, talagang may return on investment, no? Kasi nakapag-focus tayo. So, I encourage you to open our camera and type in the chat box as we welcome our guest speaker. Let's type in, "Hello, Miss Joy." Ayan. So, hi, Miss Joylene.
Ayan, hello, good evening everyone. So, I really hope, thank you Coach Lyra for that wonderful introduction. So, um, good evening everyone. So, I hope nakapag-dinner na kayo lahat. Kasi medyo mahaba-haba to. Hindi. Joke lang. Hindi ko sasayangin yung oras nyo tonight. Kasi sabi nga, di ba, maraming pwedeng paglaanan ng oras. Lalo ako, after work ko lang din. So, pwedeng time ko sana with my kids. Pero, ano muna, kinausap ko muna sila. Minake sure ko muna ano na sila, nakasettle na. And then, time ko naman for my internet side hustle. Okay? So, same din tong ituturo ko at i-present ko tonight. So, good evening dun sa mga guests natin. Si Kel, meron pa po bang iba? May nakita ko kanina, Samsung. Yan. So, good evening everyone. And mag-start na ako. So, tonight, we will talk about how to start your internet side hustle. Okay? So, pakilala lang ako. I am Joylene Cortez, Joylene Maluyo Salviejo. I am a registered nurse. Bukod sa pagiging nurse, so bali 13 years na din akong nurse. Nung time ko kasi, kailangan meron ka pang ibang, ibang specialization. Okay? Para tumaas ng konti yung sahod mo. Tumaas siya konti, pero yung task, hindi konti. Okay. So, nag-training ako sa Philippine Heart Center ng 2D Echo and Ultrasound. Estudyante pa lang talaga ako, talagang masipag na ako kasi scholar ako ng State University sa amin. And then 10 years after work, nag-decide pa akong kumuha pa ng isang course. So, diplomate ako in healthcare leadership and management and certified hospital admin ako. Okay? So, gusto ko lang sana itanong dun kay Ma'am Kel, tsaka yung ibang guest dito. Meron akong 5 questions. Yan. So, number 1, what what brings you here? What brings you here? Number 1, I have a stable job, but I know I need to earn more on the side. Number 2, I've been thinking to grow my income each month, but I don't know where to start. Number 3, I've always wanted to start a small business, but I feel stuck figuring out how. Number 4, I've been thinking more about my future, like how to save up and retire without stress. And number 5, with today's lifestyle, I know I need to be and stay healthy, but where do I even begin? Ako, na nasa kwarentahin na, talagang iniisip ko na talaga yung how to save up and retire without stress. Yan. Tapos, syempre, yung lifestyle, para maliit pa yung mga anak ko kailangan healthy yung lifestyle para masabayan ko sila. Okay? So sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, never depend on a single income. Make investment to create a second source. So ang uso ngayon, ang tawag daw gig economy. So nung araw ang tawag natin dyan, side hustle, sideline, um, racket, yan yung mga yan. So gig economy yung tawag ngayong 2026. So ano yung mga examples niyan? So mga gig services, for example, your Uber, your Grab. Kapag ka freelancing naman, yung Upwork, yung mga yan, yung mga online teaching, and then affiliation, yung mga TikTok shop, yan, mga Shopee, mga nagla-live, nagpapamind, yan, yung mga yan. So, yan yung mga examples ng gig economy. Now, ang sekreto daw sa pagpapalaki ng isang negosyo ay leverage. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng leverage na yan? Example, kami, dito sa province, meron din akong isa pang business. So, yung business namin, ang tawag namin dyan, Biao Photo Booth and Digital Services. Yan. Kasi Biao, kasi mahilig kami sa pusa. Ayan, katulad ni Coach Lyra, alam ko mahilig yan sa pusa. Tapos yung husband ko kasi ang pangalan niya, Meo. Kaya dyan siya nakuha. So, Meow Photo Booth. Pero yon para makapag-build up, makapag-put up ng isang photo booth, ang puhunan mo kasama ang camera, papel, yung box, backdrop, lahat, nasa 75,000. Okay, so iisa yung unit namin no, nung 2017 kami nag-start kasi kung ano yung pera namin na nakuha namin sa kasal, dyan namin inuna. Okay, so nag-business kagad kami. Ganon din kagaling mag-isip ng business yung asawa ko. Okay, so kaso ang napansin namin, iisa lang yung natatauhan namin kasi iisa lang yung unit namin. Tapos, sorry, yung mga anak ko. And then tapos, part-time kami noon na nagfo-photo booth. So, paano namin matatauhan yung binyag ng alas 9? Yung kasal ng alas 10? Wala na, di ba? Paano na namin, matatanggihan na namin yung booking. So, ang ginawa namin, kumuha kami, ito ang mga leverage namin, mga kaibigan din namin, na pwedeng tumaon ng photo booth namin habang wala kami. Ngayon napansin namin, pagkasalan dito sa probinsya tsaka binyagan, Sabado at Linggo talaga yan. Paano kung 4 yung event, iisa lang ang unit namin? So habang kumikita kami, bili pa kami, nag-put up pa kami ulit ng 3 unit. So meron kaming 4 na unit ng photo booth. So ganun kami nakapagparami, nakapagpalaki. So for example naman, dyan sa Maynila, di ba meron kayong Grab? Kung halimbawa, yung may-ari ng Grab napansin niyang maganda ang kita, syempre kukuha pa siya ng isa pang Grab. Pero ang problema, ang puhunan ng isang kotse, magkano? Saka sigurado ako, yung may-ari ng account na yun, hindi niya kayang i-drive yan, yung 2 Grab na yan, yung 2 kotseng yan. Kukuha at kukuha siya ng isa pang tao. Or, kapag halimbawa, naisip mo mag-restaurant, put up ka ng cafe, tapos magbo-branch ka o magkakaroon ka ng isa pang restaurant, hindi naman parehong gamit ang gagamitin mo eh. Maglalabas ka ulit ng pang tables and chairs, kukuha ka pa ulit ng isa pang tao na magmamanage yung isang branch mo. So, ganun yon. So, sabi, kapag ka gusto mong magpalawak, kailangan mo ng leverage. So, kung gusto mong mag-multiply ng time mo, leverage automation. If you want to multiply efficiency, di ba? Leverage on AI tools. So, ang AI kasi ngayon, hindi naman siya talaga decision. Tools lang talaga siya para mapabilis yung trabaho mo. So, AI tools ka. If you want to multiply productivity, leverage on people's effort, yung parang ginawa namin. Scalability, pagpapalawak, leverage on systems. And if you want to multiply money, you leverage on your assets. So, ang business na meron kami is Usana Brand Partner. So, yung mga guests natin, familiar ba kayo sa Usana? Narinig na ba? Na-try? So, yung mga nakapag-try, type 1, yung mga brand partner na rin natin, type 2, at yung talagang hindi pa nakarinig ng Usana, hindi pa na-try, ano ba yan? Type 3. Yan. Tingnan lang natin sa saglit. Ayan, 2. Okay. So, How about yung iba? Yan. So, Suyuzana brand partner kami. So, Suyuzana, 33 years na siya sa business at wala siyang ibang ginagawa kung hindi puro vitamins. Alam nyo, no, ito lang ang kumpanya na wala siyang utang. Publicly traded din yan sa New York Stock Exchange. Okay, cellular nutrition company po siya. At number one siya for 7 consecutive years dito sa Philippines at sa mga bansang meron siya. So remember kanina yung sabi natin na yung parang sa scalability, pagpapalawak, imaginein mo kapag ka brand partner ka ng Usana, hindi ka lang brand partner dito sa Pilipinas. Brand partner ka sa 25 countries na meron ng Usana. So ikaw, kapag ka brand partner ka ng Usana dito sa Pilipinas, imaginein mo yung mga tita mong nasa abroad, pwedeng bumili sa'yo. Ganun siya. So, for example, kanina, yung example natin na restaurant, syempre magiging market lang yun yung mga napapadaan doon sa restaurant mo. Pero ito, 25 countries, kaya mo magpalawak dyan. Mamaya, i-explain ko kung paano. So, ito yung facility ng Usana, 3 times yan ng MOA. Okay? And another leverage natin is yung business model natin is dropshipping. Okay? So, paano yan? Para sa isang negosyo, pinakamahirap yung nagpapak, tapos pupunta ka pa ng LBC or GTNT, papadala mo yung mga products mo. Dito, sa Usana, si customer, meron siyang sariling shop, meron siyang sariling link, siya na ang bibili ng produktong gusto niya. Si Usana na mismo ang magpapak, si Usana na ang magpapadala diretso sa customer mo. Yung customer mo, kay Usana na rin magbabayad at si Usana na rin ang magbibigay ng commission mo. So, alam nyo no, nakakapag-create talaga tayo ng trust din sa mga kliyente natin kasi hindi naman natin kailangan mag-collect ng pera kasi sila na mismo ang magbabayad on their. May mga instructions, may mga clear instructions si Usana kung paano mag-check out at mag-settle ng bill. So, dropshipping, dun po pasok yung model nating dropshipping. And of course, meron tayong leverage dito. Alam nyo, no, tayo lang ang vitamins at supplement na ang founder at ang gumawa ay isang scientist. Diba? So, sabi niya dito, I dream of a world free from pain and suffering. So, imagine mo isang doktor na ang dream niya is wala kang pain, wala kang suffering. Para sa akin kasi dun talaga ako parang na-amaze nung napresentan din ako nitong opportunity. So, Albert Einstein awardee siya. Pwede yung i-research yan. Sa buong mundo, dalawa lang po ang meron yan. Okay? And ito po yung facility natin sa Salt Lake, Utah. Lahat ng vitamins, Usana, galing ng Salt Lake, Utah. Minsan nga nakita ko dun sa, sa grocery nung mother-in-law ko, meron siyang green tea, Japanese green tea, sabi. Pero made in Marikina. So, parang, di ba? Japanese green tea nga eh, no? Japanese green tea, authentic Japanese green tea, pero manufactured sa Marikina. Di ba? Pero lahat, itong vitamins natin, lahat to galing ng Salt Lake. Okay? At ito lang ang vitamins na merong 150 plus scientists all over the world. At syempre, hindi mawawala dyan, may isang Pinoy. Laging may isang Pinoy sa kahit anong news, di ba? Si Dr. Badela ito, so taga Pangasinan yan, Ilocano din yan na katulad ko. So sa Salt Lake Utah, lahat ng research, formulation, clinical trials, in-house manufacturing, quality standards, third-party certification, and delivered straight to your. So ito mga vitamins na to mga to, lahat to galing ng Salt Lake Utah. Okay, so sabi, mag-isip ka ng business. So when starting a business, don't just choose a product to sell. Choose a problem to solve. Diba? Saan ka naman nakakita nun? Magnenegosyo ka pero makakasolve ka ng problem. So, ano? Paano kaya yon? So, ano bang problem ang meron tayo? Ngayon, meron tayong 2 challenges. Is your health and finances. Diba? Sa hospital, kitang-kita ko yan. Pagbagsak ang health na ICU, 30,000 per day yan. Provincial rate yan, ha? Wala pang PhilHealth, wala pang kaltasang PhilHealth doon, pero yung PF nakabukod doon. hindi yun cover ng PhilHealth. May portion na cover, pero beyond kapag tumagal ka na ng more than 15 days, aaabot ka talaga ng milyon. Nasa private hospital kasi ako. So, health and finances talaga ang sinusolve natin. So, ang dami-daming mga Pilipino ngayon at ang dami-daming tao ngayon ang mababang energy. Pansinin nyo, no, ang daming complaint na yung nag, ang bata pa, hypertension, walang energy. Kasi bakit? Kaya nangyayari to kasi meron tayong tinatawag na micronutrient deficiency. Okay, paano yan? Itong mga calcium, vitamin A, hindi lahat nito nakakain mo araw-araw. Sabi, huwag ka na daw mag-supplement kung kaya mong kumain ng 8 fluorescent broccoli. Ang isang broccoli ngayon nasa 85 pesos. Diba? Galing kang work, mamamalengke ka ba para kumuha ng broccoli sa palengke? So, luto ka pa, diba? And then, one bowl of salad. Tapos, green peas, apple, plum. Wala naman ito sa amin, plum. Apple, pwede, meron. Dried fruits, di ba? Kapag ka nakakain mo daw to, ng 80 grams per serving, so kulang-kulang nasa kalahating kilo, huwag ka na daw mag-supplement. Pero hindi mo nga makukuha lahat ng micronutrients kahit pakainin mo to. It's very, very hard for you to calculate your micronutrients. For example, yung almusal mo kanina umaga, itlog, kamatis, tsaka tuyo. Makakalculate mo ba kung ilang grams ng calcium, ilang grams na? Hindi. Okay, at saka aminin natin, ganito tayo kumain. Lalo bukas sahuran, magkakayayaan niya ng samgyup, pustahan. May ano na nga may plano na nga yung mga office mate namin bukas, sahod, magdi-DIY at saka mag-samgyup daw. O, diba? Mga pambudol ng mga kasama ko mga ano na sa 20s eh. Kaya naman, sa diet na to, okay, walang exercise, kurang diet, kulang ang micronutrient, nagkakaroon ng degenerative diseases. Dito na pumapasok yung trabaho ko. Okay? So, 10 years ago, imagine mo ang census ko ng 2D Eco per day, 2-3. Nakaschedule pa yan. Ngayon, ang 2D Eco patients ko walk-in at saka admitted, pumapalo ako ng 12 patients in a day. So, 12 doon, nagcha-chest pain, hypertensive, magpapa-clearance kasi kailangan ng chemotherapy. Yun yung mga patients na dumadaan sa akin. Cancer. Ilang tita ko na rin ang meron yan. Stroke. Sa CT scan department, kami rin ang may hawak niyan. Meron kaming mga stroke patients, 14 years old. Diba? Kasi stress daw. Sa gadget. Yung mga yan. And then diabetes, respiratory disease. And kasama na rin dito ang chronic kidney disease or yung mga tinatawag nating nagdadialysis. Yan, kasama na rin dyan. Kasi parang 10 years ago din, ang session lang na meron sa amin, parang 2 sessions lang. Ngayon, wala na pong bakante. 35 ang pila bago ka makapasok. Diba? Pag magdadialysis ka. Kaya naman, fewer and fewer people die with old age. Bakit? Kasi sa stress din, pollution, radiation, food pesticide, and poor food choices. So sabi, para makumpleto mo yung mga micronutrients na sinasabi ko kanina, katulad ng mga calcium, vitamin A, D, E, K, ganyan, kailangan mo daw mag-supplement. Eto na, wala namang nagsabi sa market na number 2 lang sila. Wala namang nagsabi sa market na number 5 sila. Kaya naman, buti na lang meron tayong nutritional supplement guide wherein ang 1,600 supplements all over the world. Ayan, kinompare niya. So, meron siyang 16 criteria. Kompleto ba yan? Mabisa ba yan? Vitamin E form. At bilang nurse, no, ito talaga yung tinignan ko. Potential toxicity. Okay? May mga maintenance kasi at may mga naging pasyente ako na pag nagpa-ultrasound na sa amin, long-term use, namumuti yung liver at saka kidney. So, ito talaga yung tinignan ko. Potential toxicity. Okay? Tapos, i-check din yan dyan yung healthy aging support. Okay? Mamaya iano ko. So, itong nutritional supplement guide na to, nirate niya ang lahat ng vitamins all over the world. 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. Parang sa mga hotel, 5-star, ibig sabihin maganda. Di ba? Parang ano yan, 5-star hotel. Mga Shangri-La, ganyan. So, ito, GNC, meron to sa mga Ayala malls na sa 2-star lang siya. Centrum, complete from A to Z, 1-star lang siya. Okay? Tapos, yung Nature's Way, yung mga Nature's Way, yung mga galing abroad, 3-star, not bad naman may 3-star. Kirkland, meron sa SNR, 1-star. Alam niyo, Lotto si Rizana, meron siyang 5-star. 5-star Platinum Plus. Yan ang rating ni Rizana. Tapos, tinignan ko kagad, di ba? Kanina yung number 16, yung potential toxicity. Wala siya. Wala siyang nakatiting na potential toxicity. Yung number 9, yung healthy aging support, hindi naman kasi ibig sabihin kapag matanda, ibig sabihin, pag narinig ko minsan, ay 60 na ako, kaya mahina ako, or 60 na ako, parang hindi na ako okay, hindi eh. Na talagang mga sabing matanda, mga 95, ganyan. Tignan niyo yung number 9, yung healthy aging support. Diba? So, noon talaga kasi ito to expand lifespan. Okay? Kaya naman, dahil wala siyang potential toxicity, safe na safe siya sa kahit sino, kaya at gamit siya ng mga athletes natin. Gamit siya ng mga athletes natin all over the world. Gamit, official supplement din siya ng PBA at mga sports organization, elite sports organization. Kasi 'di ba mga athlete hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng any potential toxicity kasi pwedeng makuha yung medalya nila. So marami tayong products dito sa Usana. Isa-isahin ko lang ng saglit yung mga available dito sa Pilipinas. So meron tayong um, Use Animals, ito yung gamit ng mga anak ko, lalo sa mga batang picky eater, hindi ka naman sigurado kung nakukumpleto ba nila yung vitamins. Ito wala siyang sugar, so kumpleto na yan. Proflavanol C para sa skin, sa mga ugat-ugat, para sa high blood, para hindi ka ma-stroke. Prevention yan. Coenzyme 30 para sa puso, para hindi ka hingalin. Yan. Favorite yan ng mga tumatakbo-takbo dito, tsaka mga swimmer. Biomega para sa cholesterol. Policy, cheapest vitamin C ito sa amin. Meron din tong antioxidant. Glucamune, favorite ng mga chemotherapy patients para sa immunity kasi di ba mababa yung resistensya nila pag nagki-chemotherapy. Pure Rest para sa hirap makatulog. Vision X para sa mata. Procosa para sa joints, arthritis. Magnical D para sa buntis, para sa mga nanay na malapit na mag-menopause, para sa mga hypertension dahil para din yan sa puso, para sa buto, para sa muscle. Palmetto Plus para sa prostate kasi number 1 cause of death pa rin among male is prostate cancer at ang cause ng prostate cancer is still unknown. Okay? Meron tayong para sa prostate. Hepasil para sa liver, and then probiotic, and then we have digestive enzyme, and then meron tayong Copper Prime for short and long-term memory. Favorite to ng mga nagre-review, law student, mga high school, mga college students, yan. Mga mag-NCLEX exam, favorite nila yan. And then Procalm, nauso dati yon yung anxiety panic attack ng pandemic. So, meron tayong Procalm. And then, of course, meron tayong skincare. Meron tayong Nutrimil para sa mga gustong mag-lose weight. Guaranteed 6 pounds to lose weight for 5-day reset. So, tanong nyo kung may mga gusto kayong tulungan na gusto nag-struggle to lose weight, i-approach nyo yung nag-invite sa inyo para maturuan kayo ng 5-day reset. And then, meron din tayong resurfacing serum para sa skincare. Yan, naka-serum na ako. And then, yung ating toothpaste. Pwede to sa mga bata, matanda. Meron siyang postbiotic effect. Ibig sabihin, all day protected yung ngipin natin. And then, so sa lahat ng binanggit ko supplement. A little bit of everything nandito na sa flagship product natin. Ito yung tinatawag natin flagship product. So this is your Cell Essentials. Except yung Biomega. Kasi yung Biomega natin is ano siya, oil-based. So, lahat nung binanggit ko, nandito na siya. So, imaginein mo, kailangan daw maka 18.5 million oranges ka para makumpleto mo ang vitamin C. Kailangan mo maka 80 million bananas para makumpleto mo ang B6 para wala yung nangalay-ngalay. Diba? Para sa B-complex. Kailangan mo makain lahat yan. Pero ito, lahat ng nutrients na kailangan mo, nandito na siya. Sa Cell Essentials, okay? Ang tanong, ano ba meron dyan? Ba't nandyan na lahat? Okay? Meron kang 19 vitamins, 14 minerals, and 9 antioxidants. So, imaginein mo, andito na lahat yung vitamin A, C, D, E, K. And then, kung mapapansin nyo yung mga nasa market na B-complex, B1, 6, and 12 lang siya. Pero dito, B1 up to 12. Okay? Meron din tong coenzyme 10 para sa puso, lutein para sa mata, lycopene para sa skin, calcium sa buto, selenium is a very expensive mineral known to fight cancer at meron kang 9 antioxidants. Walang ibang vitamins sa market na merong 9 antioxidants. Tapos, kahit i-search po ninyo, itong Olivol, tayo lang po ang meron yan. Okay, what is the supplement na merong Olivol, tayo lang po ang meron yan. So, kahit po ikot-ikutin nyo yung bote, wala siyang nakalagay na no approved therapeutic claims or ito ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gawing gamot sa kahit anong uri ng sakit. Okay? Wala tayong nakalagay na ganyan. So, kapag kahalimbawa, gusto mong mag-vitamins, meron ka pang neurobion, meron ka pang potency, calcium, and everything. Aabot ka ng 150. Pero dito, sa Cell Essentials, lahat ng to, may calcium ka na, kumpleto na yan. 33 pesos lang yan per day. Okay? Ano na yan, 33 pesos per pair pag iti-take mo siya once a day. Kung twice a day naman, 66 pesos siya. Okay? So, yung 66 pesos, magkano lang yan? Eh, yung kape nga, 109 pesos, di ba? So, mas ma-afford natin yan. Yung isang broccoli nga, 85 pesos, dinuto mo pa yung effort yun. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabi, huwag kang kumain ng gulay. Ibig ko sabihin, dugsungan mo yung hindi mo nakakain lahat gamit tong supplement to. Okay? So, compare, sabi ko nga kanina, yung bill sa hospital, 66 pesos versus kapag nagkasakit ka. Diba? So, ano yung immediate na mararamdaman mo kapag uminom ka ng Usana? Masarap yung tulog, mataas yung energy, maganda yung skin, maganda yung metabolism, at maganda yung bowel movement. Okay? Meron din tayong mga fat loss challenge. And then, ito kasi yung personal story ko. So, 2018, nagtatry kaming pagka-baby kasi before ako ikasal, wala akong isang ovary. Pero, nag-seek pa rin naman ako ng OB ng doktor na tapos sa pansin ko, binibigay niya may multivitamins, fish oil, coenzyme 10, tsaka vitamin C. So, ang ginawa ko, change ko lang yung brand. Pero, nagsabi pa rin ako na, I will switch na lang to Usana kasi pareho lang naman. So, after 4 months, ayan na siya. Ito na siya. Na yung panganay. And then, nasundan pa ulit siya. Okay? Ito naman yung mga client ko na ultrasound ko na nagpapa-work up. So, nagpapabilang sila ng egg kung meron bang matured egg for this cycle, kung pwede sila, So, meron akong ka-tie up dito na OB, coenzyme 10 naman ang binibigay niya. Nakadalawang bote to. So, buntis na din siya. And then, eto naman, mataas ang creatinine, mataas ang cholesterol, triglyceride, bad cholesterol, and then 1 month of taking Usana. Ayan po yung kanya laboratory. And then, eto na, common question to, paano pag meron akong maintenance, ma'am? Pwede ba yung isabay? Diba? Pwede po, 30 minutes apart. So ito, nag-normalize yung PP niya and then eventually, natanggal yung losartan niya. So pwede pala, 'di ba? Pag ang ano din, pag regular ang check-up, regular ang laboratory, pag normal na yan lahat, eventually binabawasan ng maintenance at hanggang sa mawala siya. Pwede. Okay? So kung maganda yan, Joy, bakit wala yan sa Mercury? Bakit wala yan sa Watson? So ito na. Si Zana kasi, or I mean, ang ibang supplement, for example, sa manufacturing. Tapos, meron pa yung advertising, meron pa yung distributor, bago makapunta sa customer. So, syempre, yung quality, yung bumababa, sa dami na ng ginastos yan. Okay, imagine mo yung 10 pesos na ibang supplement, tapos ito yung binayaran niya. So, ano na lang yung quality na natira at ginamit sa kanya. Okay, kaya natuso ang direct selling. Pero ang gusto ni Yuzana, ikaw, na brand partner, idiretso mo na yung customer mo kay Yuzana. Di ba gusto niyo yun, yung mga nag-add to cart, nag-add to cart by yourself, tapos i-check out mo siya on your own. Yan, hanapan naman nung nag-browse-browse ka, ganyan. Mas gusto ko silang customer yon. So, papaano? Ikaw na brand partner, meron kang link na ibibigay sa customer mo. Okay? And then yung link na yon, pwede mong ibigay sa pwedeng magiging user mo lang or yung gusto ding mag-business na katulad natin. Yung user, ang gusto lang niya maka-discount. Pero yung brand partner, magbi-build din siya ng side hustle niya. Okay? And then, so paano yan, Joy? Pareho yung price kapag meron ka ng link kahit user ka at pareho din yung price kapag brand partner ka. Okay? So, ang maganda dyan, dito sa Izana, lahat ng products natin meron siyang points. Yung points na yan, parang SM Advantage cards, nagiging dollars. So, doon tayo nakaka-earn ng points at yung points na yun, i-convert siya into dollars. Okay? So, for example, ikaw, brand partner, ito customer mo, and then yung link ni customer, diretso na yan kay Yuzana. Itong customer to magkakaroon siya ng sariling link. Meron siyang na-invite na user, brand partner, and so forth and so on. Pero yung link na yan, kanina siya nagsimula sa'yo. Pero lahat ng yan may kanya-kanyang link. So they can shop on their own. So lahat ng pwedeng bumili all over the world sa 25 countries, basta naka-connect sa'yo, doon ka mag-earn. Okay? May kanya-kanyang link sila, may kanya-kanya silang shop. So remember kanina yung Grab? Imaginin mo kapag maganda yung kitaan sa Grab, bibili ka ulit ng ng isang kotse. So nasa milyon. Pero dito, link mo lang ang kailangan nila, hindi yung milyon mo. So link lang ang ibibigay mo. And then, so paano yan? Paano magsimula? You get a unique link from your brand partner, yung nag-invite sa'yo dito, kausapin mo mamaya kung paano makakakuha ng link. Actually, ang pag-enroll libre. Okay? Very minimum lang yung details na kailangan, name, address, PIN, and then kukuha ka ng products na nagustuhan mo dun sa mga diniscuss ko kanina, and then you get your business for free. Hindi mo kailangang bilhin yung negosyo. Bibili ka lang ng produkto. Okay? So, ano yung mga products na yan? Pwede ka magsimula ng 6 na sa essentials, nasa 23,000. Gamitin mo yung isa, i-share mo yung 5. ROI ka kaagad, humealthy ka pa. Or, pwede ka mag-start dito sa energy kit natin. So, dito, matatry mo yung flagship product, and then, andito na rin yung fish oil, yung Pokinon para sa puso, Magnecal para sa puto, and then yung Proflavanol C para sa ugat. Parehong one business center yan, at ang parehong potential income niya ay 200,000 per month. Okay? Or, pwede ka na mag-start ka agad ng 3 business center. Ito, meron kang 12 na sales essentials. Okay? Para sa empleyado na katulad, wala ako niyan. Kapag pinaglabas mo, wala ako niyan. Pero para sa negosyo at para sa negosyante, sobrang baba lang na magsimula ka ng 42,000 tapos times 3 yung potential income niya per month. Ang 42,000 ano, isang aircon lang yan eh. 'Di ba? Kung magpu-put up ka nga ng cafe, mahal pa yung ano diyan, yung coffee machine. Pero dito, 3 business center, tapos hindi pa limited sa kapitbahay mo lang yung market. Automatic, meron ka ng market all over the world. So, alam mo yun, global yung business mo, pero magkano ka magsisimula? 42,000. 12 lang na sa essentials yan, kulang pa nga yan sa mga katrabaho mo. Kapag ka-senior mo, ginamit mo yung isa. Okay? Or, eto, gumanda ka na, may negosyo ka pa. Nasa 19,200, nasa 19,000 naman tong isa, kausapin mo yung nag-invite sa'yo kung paano ka makakakuha to mga packages na to or product of choice. Basta importante, may 200 points. Diba? Point system nga yung mga produkto ni Yuzana. So, dito sa Yuzana, ang gagawin mo, once na meron ka ng business, isi-share mo siya, mag-grow ka, and then mag-lead ka ng sarili mo or organization. So, paano yan? Sa kaka-share mo ng Yuzana, meron kang 10% sa first 6 months ng lahat ng customer mo. Diba kanina, pag user lang siya, meron siyang sariling link. Pag bumili yun, meron kang 10%. Or, pag nag-build ka ng business mo, 4 brand partners na makakasama mo dito sa Yuzana, pwede ka mag-earn ng $300 in 3 months. And then, once na may business ka na at mag-grow ka dito sa Yuzana, meron tayong tinatawag na base commission. So, ito weekly commission yan. So, imagine mo, from Saturday, 2 p.m., meron tayong cut-off, Saturday to Saturday, 1 week. So, lahat ng points, bumiling user, bumiling brand partner, i-compute yan ni Yuzana at lahat ng connected sa'yo, i-compute yan ni Yuzana, 20% yan, nagiging dollars. So, bago ka pa lang dito sa Yuzana, pwede ka mag-earn ng $50 to $400 in a week. Dedicated ka, $600 to $1,000 per week. At ikaw, kapag experience ka na, pwede kang mag-earn up to $4,000, up to $16,000 per month. O yung mga guests natin ha, dollars yung kinikita dito. Diba? So, imaginein mo, yung may dadagdag kahit nga sa nagsisimula in $50 in a week, magkanong gasolina na yan? Diba? Dati ang gasolina namin dito per week kahit sa malapit lang naman 500 pesos. Pero ngayon, 1,000 pesos kami per week. Pero alam nyo no, in a way, blessing din talaga tong negosyo na to kasi parang maraming umaangal, oo, marami talagang kawawa, pero hindi namin siya masyadong nararamdaman. Yung sa gasolina, yun. Dahil nga, pero ang importante, magdadagdag ka. Diba? Hindi talaga solution yung magtipid. Ang importante, magdagdag ka. So, okay lang ba? Idagdag mo yung $50 per week? Idagdag mo yung $100 per week? Diba? Hindi yung hindi yung ang kino-compute mong idagdag is yung gastos. Yung ang compute mong idagdag, ang i-compute mo is yung kung magkano ang idadagdag mo sa budget. Okay? So, subscribe and save. So, paano nangyayari yan? Lahat ng pwede mong maging user, lahat ng naka-connect sa'yo, meron silang subscribe and save. So, 10% additional discount mo pa sa distributor's price. Okay? So, imaginein mo, in 3 years time, halimbawa, meron kang 50 customers to 100 customers. Umu-order yan weekly. So, i-compute yan, yung points na yan, and then nagiging dollars. Ang ano natin, ang vitamins natin, highly consumable yan. So, parang shampoo, kapag naubos, di ba bibili ka ulit? Pag naubusan ka ng vitamins, bibili ka ulit. And sure ako, sa Yuzana, meron talaga siyang repeat purchase. So, yung mga user mo, yung mga brand partner mo, naturuan silang umorder, naturuan silang mag-subscribe and save, doon na pumapasok yung passive income per month kapag na-build mo yung ng tama yung business mo in 2 years time. Okay? And etong business natin, inheritable siya. So, for example, ako, Kapag nag-resign ako or nag-retire ako, hindi naman pwedeng manahin nitong toddler kong maingay sa likod yung pagtutudieko ko. 'Di ba? Pero dito sa Usana, pwedeng manahin 'to ng mga anak ko, yung business organization, yung commission, bonuses, rank, and titles. Kapagka pinamana ko sa kanila. Ayaw man nila o hindi yung business, mag-earn at mag-earn sila. So dito, free ang training, free ang support. Alam mo no, natural lang naman na merong mapapaisip ka, para sa akin ba talaga 'tong business na 'to? Ako din no'n naisip ko 'yan, pero dito free ang training, free ang personal website, shop online and enroll online, and then online presentations like this, libre lahat. So, meron tayong tinatawag na smart positioning. Okay, kausapin mo yung nag-invite sa'yo mamaya kasi sponsoring kasi ang tawag namin sa sa dito sa Usana. So, for example, ito yung sponsor mo, ikaw ito, okay? Wala nang ibang kumonek sa'yo, wala nang ibang pupuntahan yung mga mai-invite niya kundi iko-connect niya sa'yo. Pwedeng ito nagbi-business, pwedeng ito user. So, imaginein mo, um, lahat ng makakausap niya pwedeng i-connect sa'yo. So, sinasabi mo ba na, Joy, yung ibig mo sabihin, pwede akong nagkaka-points kahit wala akong ginagawa? Possible. Pero tuturuan ka namin kung papaano ka mag-earn dito sa Usana. Okay, pero meron tayong tinatawag na smart positioning. Ang importante, ikaw yung mauuna para ikaw ang tumanggap ng points sa mga susunod na makakausap nung nag-invite sa'yo. So, paano simula? Kukuha ka ng products. Yung kanina, yung anim na essentials or yung energy kit, kuha ka ng products. And then, kung mag-enroll ka, basic information, name, address, email, TIN number, and then contact details, and then pag-usapan nyo nung nag-invite sa'yo kung credit card ba, cash, or GCash, or BPI online. And then get the products na i-deliver mismo ni Usana sa'yo. And then start ka na ng training. So, ako, paano ba ako na-invite? Dati lang din akong user, di ba, ng Usana. Dati lang akong user. And then, sa 10 years kong pag-work, nakakaisip na rin talaga ako ng business. And then, dun ako na-invite, dun ako ano ba yun, na-invite. Ang sinabi lang sa akin, gusto mo ba ng additional discount? So, nag-yes ako. And then, wala din naman akong savings, wala din naman akong time. Halos ayoko rin magtinda-tinda noon, wala din akong credit card. Diba? Pero, anong naisip ko? Itong may ingay sa likod ko, after 18 years, meron silang matrikula. So, 384,000 per semester. Sa sahod ko, dito sa probinsya. Makakapagpaaral ba ako ng 2 kolehiyo na ito ang pinakamura after 18 years? Siyempre, hindi lang naman tuition fee ang babayaran ko. Boarding house, pagkain, allowance. Diba? So, imagine mo, pagkano, sana kung loan kukuha nun, di ba? Eh, ang makukuha ko nga kapag ka nag-retire ako sa year 2025 sa SSS, 18,605 per month. Diba? Sana huhugot ng 384,000%. Kaya dalawa tong anak ko. And then, of course, nag-start talaga ako mag-prepare for my retirement. So, dito sa Usana, hindi siya madali. Pero after work, sinisikap ko meron ako mga presentations. Kahit nagpapatulog ako, possible. Diba? Eh no, para-pareho kayong damit ko eh. Diba kung ano mahugot, basta makapag-present. And then I was able to build my team dito sa Isabela and Cagayan. And then 1 year of doing Usana. Part-time, 2 hours per day. Walang paltot yun. So, imaginein mo yung kinikita ko ng isang buwan dito sa hospital na nag-duty ako ng 12 oras kada araw. Ito, 2 hours per day. 1 year. Meron kang weekly na ganyan. Diba? So, at my age, talagang seseryosohin ko na siya. And, maganda yung team support dito. Meron tayong mga leaders dito sa Usana. Ito yung ating one-star diamond director, si Madeline Castromero, registered nurse din yan. Meron din tayong mga IT, meron din tayong mga nurse, meron tayong mga businessman, and then meron tayong lawyer. Diba? Lawyer na, nag-Usana pa. Meron tayong taga BIR, meron nga PWD, pero nag-Usana, tapos nag-earn ng 200,000. Tayo pa kaya, nakumpleto tayo. Meron tayong taga-bangko. So, lahat pwede. Dito, sa isa na meron din tayo mga travel incentive. Yan. So, iiwan ko kayo sa questions na to. Tuloy pa mga guests natin. May health concern ka ba o pamilya mo na kailangan ng products? May kakilala ka ba na may sakit at matutulungan natin dahil sa mga products? Do you know someone na baon na sa utang at kailangan ng additional source of income? May kilala ka ba na walang time dahil sub sa trabaho? Or ngayon ba, nakikita mo yung sarili mo, 60 to 65, saka ka magtra-travel. Alam mo, no, may kakilala ako, 65, nag-retire na. Tapos nung magta-travel sila magkakapatid, lahat sila naka-wheelchair. Kasi ang haba nung lalakarin nila. Hindi na kaya. So, saan mo nakikita yung sarili mo dyan? So, um, pwedeng nagda-doubt ka kung paano magsisimula, pero ang importante magsimula ka. Kasi, sure, sisisigurado ko sa'yo na andito kami to help you at yung taong nag-invite sa'yo, sure ako masipag yan at tutulungan ka niya. So, that's it for me. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening and God bless.
All right. Thank you so much, Miss Joylyn. Ayan, can we type in the chat box? Thank you, Miss Joy. Ayan, for that very comprehensive discussion of this opportunity ng Usana, 'di ba? So, I hope yung mga guests natin no, talagang na-bless kayo to get to know the bigger picture of Usana. If meron tayong guest here na you've known Usana before, naririnig-rinig mo na siya, and right now, nakita mo yung full picture, 'di ba? May this be the very last time, 'di ba? Na maka-attend ka ng webinar about Usana na hindi ka pa brand partner. Okay? So take that first step right away after this meeting. And if you still have concerns, there will be breakout rooms later for you to talk to the person who invited you. And for sure, etong ating guest speaker at our second no na guest speaker tonight would help you, 'di ba? See the future. Ano bang kahahantungan if you say yes to the opportunity outright ngayon na, 'di ba? So let me introduce our second guest speaker. He is high achieving professional no prior getting into the business ng Usana. He actually graduated as a cum laude, o 'di ba? So talagang for sure bago niya sinimulan yung Usana, bago siya nag-yes dito sa Usana, talagang pinag-isipan niyang maigi to, 'di ba? Kasi cum laude eh. So talagang ginamit ng isip before actually saying yes, 'di ba? And he is a CPA at 21 and he worked as an auditor and consultant handling multiple companies. So, okay naman yung work, may stability, may prestige, di ba? Pag sinabing CPA, ganyan. But our second speaker, no, he wanted more freedom, growth, and ability to impact others. Parang yung kanina sa video, di ba, si Pablo, sabi niya, there has to be a better way. Ayan, so he himself was also looking for a better way, and he found Usana. And right now, he's a Ruby director. And as a Ruby director, kumikita po yan ng mga 400,000 to 500,000 in a month, 'di ba? So, grabe yung exponential income na possible kitain talaga in this kind of business sa Usana. So, without further ado, let's hear it directly from him, 'di ba? Paano nangyari yung ganong growth in his business sa Usana, and right now he's impacting lives of many people. So let's all welcome Mentor Noy Leones. So can we type in the chat box, hello Mentor Noy?
Ah, Coach Joylene for really, ano no, relaying to our guests, no, especially about the USANA opportunity, the products, and even the compensation plan. So, by the way, welcome sa mga guests din natin, no, for tonight. So, sa mga first time yung marinig ng USANA, so I can relate, no, okay, to you guys. Kasi when USANA was presented to me, it was also my first time na marinig yung opportunity. It was even my first time to hear about the industry. Okay, hindi naman po ako negative, hindi rin ako positive. I was just being neutral during that time. Okay. Pero as an accountant, you're trained to become skeptic. Okay, so before I said yes, okay, tama yung sinabi ni Coach Lyra, no? So I made some research and even checked some facts, no? Okay, so yes, and I was really amazed with regards to the company, the products, and of course, the business side, okay, of Usana. So right now, I've been doing this business for the past 10 years. Okay, I started 21, okay, and so far so good. Okay, ang daming magagandang nangyari, okay, doing this business. And then, part-time ko lang siya, okay, ginawa for 2 years. And eventually, I was able to retire from my job. And one thing that I'm really enjoying right now is the time freedom. Okay, so time freedom means nagagawa ko yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin. Nagagawa ko na i-spend ko yung time ko sa mga bagay na gusto kong i-spend. Okay, yung time ko. Right? So before I start, allow me to share my slides, no? Kasi quick lang yung sharing ko for tonight just to help you decide, no, to do this opportunity. Kay for sure, di ba, some of you nagagandahan naman sa opportunity pero siguro may mga doubts, diba? May fear, and that's totally fine. Okay? Kasi most of us, when we encounter yung sana, talagang may fear din, may doubts din. Okay? Pero we just said yes. Okay? Tapos eventually learn the business along the way. Right? So, ayan. Yeah. Ano yung slides ko? Ayun. So once again, my name is Noel Leones. I'm a CPA by profession. I'm currently one of the review director of Yosana. Okay, so just for context, no? Okay, so never ko namang nakita yung sarili ko doing this business. Okay, and I think lahat kami, okay, na andito sa Yosana, never naman naming plinano, okay, na mag-Yosana. Okay, so lahat kami, we were just invited, no? Siguro by our friends, okay, but as to me, I was invited by a stranger. Okay, so in fact, the very reason bakit ko rin pinursue yung pagiging CPA, kasi someone told me na kapag CPA ka daw, kada pirma mo 10,000, okay, 10,000 pesos, okay yung bayad. So, ako naman, hindi naman kami mayaman. Tatay ko is a farmer, nanay ko naman is a full-time housewife. Okay, so, yan yung ginawa ko. Sinipagan ka talaga. Then, plano ko talaga is mag-work lang sa Philippines for 2 years and eventually go abroad. Okay, pero when I encounter sana, so totally nag-change yung perspective ko and even plan ko, okay, in life. Okay, so may better opportunity pala. Okay, na hindi mo kailangan mag-abroad. Okay, na yung kikitain mo sa abroad, pwede mo kitain. Okay, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka. Okay, so in terms of professional background, again, no, I practice my profession for 2 years. Okay, for 3 years. Okay, so I work as an accounting staff. Okay, I work as an internal auditor. Then work as a company consultant. Okay, so sabi nga ni Coach Lyra kanina, okay naman yung career. Okay, pero one thing is really, one thing na talagang na-realize ko is this one. No matter kung gaano pa ako kasipag, okay, sa trabaho ko, there will always be a maximum income. Okay, so bakit? Kasi most of the time, okay, our income depends on the time and effort, okay, na binibigay natin. Okay, so if you work for 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours. Tama? So unless kung may overtime, okay, unless kung bayad yung overtime. Pero sa amin mga accountant, mostly hindi bayad yung overtime, okay? And of course, no, it's not enough to pay for my wants and even dreams. Okay, so especially when I was starting in my career. Okay, so as a breadwinner, so talagang kulang talaga. Okay, so sabi ko, if kulang siya for my needs, how much more para sa mga goals ko in life? How much more para sa mga pangarap ko in life? And one thing that I also realized is that yung buhay ko as an accountant, okay, na sobrang stressful, halos walang time, okay, para sa pamilya, okay. So I don't want that kind of life for the next 40 years, okay. So it means if I don't want that kind of life, I need to have a backup plan, right? And at the same time, I don't want to live my life. I want to live my life on my own. I don't want na yung income ko is dictated by someone else. Okay, I don't want na yung time ko is dictated by someone else. Okay, I want to be in control of my finances. I want to be in control of my time. Okay? So, of course, no, bakit ba tayo andito? Okay? So, of course, for additional opportunity, hindi naman sinasabi na ito lang yung gawin mo. Okay? But ang sinasabi namin, magdagdag tayo. Okay? Especially in our kumbaga sa panahon ngayon, okay? So lahat na ng bilihin, no? Okay? So nagtataasan, okay? Lahat ng kumbaga ang cost of living right now nagtataasan. In fact, yung iba sa atin siguro mas malaki pa yung expenses natin, okay? Compare sa income. And para sa akin, always ko pa sinasabi na if hindi enough yung kinikita natin, actually, there are two practical options. Okay, it's either you decrease your expenses or increase your income. Kaya lang most of the time, decreasing our expenses, hindi siya masyadong doable. Bakit? Okay, most of our expenses fixed. Tama. Hindi naman natin pwedeng, di ba, bawasan yung budget natin for the grocery. Hindi naman natin pwedeng pababain yung renta natin, so on and so forth. Okay, so the best thing talaga na pwedeng gawin is really increase our income. Okay, and as to my story, okay, so I was introduced to USANA by a stranger, okay, during that time, I was a fresh grad, fresh passer sa CPE board. I was 21 years old. Again, it was my first time na marinig ang USANA. It was my first time na ma-introduce to this kind of business. Okay, so, and naganda naman ako sa opportunity, sa company, sa product, even the business side of USANA. Pero you know what? When I encountered this opportunity, yes, I had some doubts, I had some fears, okay, na gawin yung business. Bakit? Okay. Number one, I had limited resources. Okay. So number one, di ba, it's a business. Okay, it requires capital. Okay, so wala din akong pang-start. Okay, during that time kasi hindi naman kami mayaman. Okay, pero na-realize ko, sabi nga, pag gusto maraming paraan. Kagaya maraming dahilan. Okay, pero kung titignan nyo naman din, sige sana, in a business perspective, actually, kung tutuusin, sobrang liit ng kapital. Okay. So, in exchange for the potential income, ha. Okay. So, in fact, I have some my friends no na may-ari ng mga accounting firm. Okay. Sabi ko, yung kinikita ko ba sa iyo sana? Okay. If i-compare natin siya in a traditional business. Okay. In order for you to earn this level of income, okay, magkano kaya yung kailangan na operating capital? Okay. So, sabi niya, at least meron kang 10 to 20 M, okay, in order for them to generate this level of income. Okay, so imagine sa'yo sana, okay, I don't know if na-mention kanina, okay, yung capital, pero yung capital would range around 23 to 40,000 pesos. Okay, tapos 100% products lang yan. Okay, so yun din yung nangyari sa akin. Like, when I started, hanapan ko siya ng paraan, okay, and good thing, nabenta ko naman yung products, okay, inaman. Ang maganda, okay, may business na ako or may system na ako sa isa. So, also, that time, I don't have the confidence, okay? So talagang I don't really see myself succeeding in this business, okay? Bakit? Ako yung tipong tao na never kitang unang kakausapin unless ikaw yung unang kumausap sa akin, okay? Pero talagang nag-improve lang din siya, nag-develop lang din siya along the way, okay? Ang maganda lang naman din sa iyo sana, okay, may mga trainings naman tayo dito. And good thing din, hindi mo din siya gagawin mag-isa. Okay, so there are events like this, okay, na pwede ka lang magdala ng mga friends mo para at least may education about Isana, okay, so on and so forth, okay? And then, I was career-oriented, okay? So, talagang dati wala sa isip ko, okay, yung mag-business, okay? So, talagang, I was just introduced to this business and see the other side of the coin. Okay na, oh nga no, dati akala ko kailangan mo mag-retire at the age of 60, okay? Pero you know what, encountering nyo sana, sabi ko, pwede ka naman pala mag-retire as early as possible. And true enough, di ba, I was able to retire from my job at the age of 24 years old. Okay. So, imagine, no, instead na 60 ako makapag-retire, okay, nakapag-retire ako sa work at the age of 24 years old. So, it's really possible. I had no business skills, okay, pero good thing, no, we have trainings, no, ino-offer dito, even courses, no, okay, sa USANA, okay, para mas mabilis nating matutunan. And sabi nga, lahat naman ng bagay pwedeng aralin. Lahat naman ng bagay pwedeng matutunan. And I had no quality network or quality contacts, okay? Ang good news ko sa inyo, guys, is that hindi kailangan, okay, na marami kang contacts or maganda yung mga network mo. Okay? Kasi when I started, tututusin, I was 21 years old. Sino ba yung mga network ko? Baka kaedad ko lang din, okay? So, di ba? So, in short, di ba, it can be developed along the way. So, when I started, di ba, I found this community, okay, I invited some friends, even family members, okay, this opportunity, some said yes, some said no, and that's totally fine, okay, hindi naman lahat, okay, will understand the business that we are in, okay, so, I also found mentors, okay, so imagine, no, these are the people na Diamond Director sa USANA, Star Diamond Director sa USANA, and in terms of income, that's unimaginable, okay, so, that's, siguro, we are ranging around 800 to 1M, okay, and normally, okay, in a corporate setup, okay, yung mga ganitong income, siguro mga CEO, mga CEO or even mga may-ari na. Okay, na corporate setup, hindi mo naman basta-basta makakausap yan. Hindi ka naman basta-basta makakahingi ng tips paano maging successful. And good thing with Asana, okay, you have that kind of community. And another thing, okay, bakit rin talaga sineryoso yung business is that I understand this one, okay, that sabi nga, kung maghanap ka lang naman ng another source of income, very important to understand what type of income, okay, yung tatrabahuin mo. Is it linear or leverage income? Okay, so ano ba yung difference niyan? Linear income, okay, you get paid based on your own effort lang. Okay, so basically it's 100% of your own effort. Okay, whereas leverage income, you get paid not only by your own effort, but you get paid, okay, even sa other people's effort. Okay, and normally, linear income can be found if you're employee or self-employed. Okay, marami namang yung mayaman dito, okay? Kaya lang, there's still a limitation. Okay, so let's say for example, di ba, employee, okay, you get paid based on the time and effort na binibigay mo. Okay, sabi ko na kanina, if you work for 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours. Okay, while self-employed, these are highly skilled professionals. These are doctors, lawyers. Okay naman yung income nila, pwede namang malaki yung income nila. Okay, kaya lang, they will be the one who will perform their profession. Hindi nila basta-basta madadelegate sa ibang tao. Tama. So, meaning to say, there's still a limitation. Okay? So, where leverage income, if you want leverage, it can be found sa business or sa investor. So, sa investor, instead of working for money, the money works for you. Okay? Kaya lang, yung problem with being, in the investment side is that in order for you to have a lot of money or generate more money, okay, it requires a lot of money. Okay, so kaya sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, start with what? Okay, business. Okay, so bakit business? So sa business, you actually own a system. Okay, the system work for you. Okay, so the goal is, okay, to generate more cash flow, okay, through business, okay, and then when you have enough cash flow, then start investing. Okay, so in order for you to what? Okay, to generate passive income in the long run. Para at least hindi lang financial freedom, we can also attain time freedom. Okay, so sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money when you sleep, okay, you work until you die. Okay? So, of course, talking about business, marami namang business na pwedeng i-consider natin, no? Okay? So we have traditional franchising, okay, or leverage business, just like Isana. Okay, so in starting a business, honestly, there are three things to consider. Okay, capital, the risk, and at the same time, the return. Okay, as an example, traditional business, normally it requires high capital if you want high return. Malaki ang risk. Bakit? You will be the one who will create a system. Ikaw maghanap ng supplier, you will be the one who will create the product, okay, so on and so forth. Okay. Franchising business, Jollibee, okay, mga McDo. Okay, so I've known someone no, na from McDo, yung updated nila na, Jollibee, by the way, Jollibee pala, okay, so initial franchising fee nila is around 50 to 70 M. Okay, that would depend the size of the Jollibee. Okay. So, pero in terms of return, malaki yung return. In terms of risk, okay, maliit lang yung risk. Bakit? You have already set the system. So, what you're doing dyan is you're buying their system. Okay, kaya lang, wala naman tayo 70M, okay? Wala naman tayo 50M, okay? Then, let's start with the leverage business, which is Isana. Okay, so ang maganda sa Isana, it's an equal opportunity that anyone can do it, okay? Pwedeng equal opportunity na pwedeng lahat tayo mag-succeed. Okay, so ang maganda, it requires little capital. In fact, I don't even consider it as capital. Bakit? Bibili ka lang naman ng products. Okay, then automatically you have a business. Low risk lang siya, and of course, high return. Okay, so ano ba yung system? Ano ba yung makukuha natin no, when you are part of Isana? Okay, of course, no, you have your business centers. Okay, you have your e-platform, e-commerce platform. You will be mentored by someone ahead of you. We have dropship order fulfillment. Okay, so on and so forth. May mga trainings and even customer service. Okay, and ang pinaka feature na talagang nagustuhan ko sa Isana, what you are building sa Isana is inheritable. Okay? So, pwede siyang ipapanatin. In short, you're not just building a business na ikaw lang yung mag-enjoy, but even your next generation, pwede nilang ma-enjoy. Okay? So, the question is, what is the probability na kaya mo tong gawin? Okay, guys, no? Ako, when I started, hindi naman ako special. Okay? I'm just an ordinary person, okay, na may malaking pangarap din. Okay? Just like these people. Okay, so these are the people that I invited no in my first few months okay in the business. So for example, ito, review, classmate ko lang sa review. I invited him in his business. CPA din po siya by profession. Si Brian is a public school teacher by profession. He's been practicing for 4 years. Okay, when I invited him in this opportunity, ito office mate ko, okay, sa first job ko. Ito naman, kaklase ko din, mga CPEs din, okay, sa college. Who would have thought, okay, that because of this opportunity, nabago din yung buhay nila. Okay, so currently, they are also Ruby directors of Usana. Okay, meaning to say, kung ano yung kinikita ko sa Usana, yun din yung kinikita nila sa Usana. Okay, in short, no, pare-pareho tayo ng opportunity, okay, na pwedeng kitain. Okay? So, ayan, no, and even under sa kanila, okay, there are also people na talagang nabago din, okay, na kumita din ng malaki, okay, so on and so forth. So even may mga student, okay, these are some of the students that I mentor right now, no, okay, so yung iba dyan, 18 years old, 19 years old, okay, pero kumikita ng $100, $200, okay, even $300, some of them, $600, ito, recent lang din to, no, okay, so 18 years old from Ateneo, okay, pero currently, one of our silver director, nagkumikita ng $1,000. Okay, may mga mamsis din. Okay. So, corporate, mga managerial level, okay, so despite of their success in their career, no, okay, so they are also open to start another venture. Okay, may mga millennials, okay, young professionals, okay, even couples who started this opportunity, okay, and made it big, no, in terms of result. Okay, so in my case, okay, so again, ang nangyari, I started the business, okay, I attended several trainings, I shared the opportunity, okay, I was able to sell the products, okay, so in my first month, okay, that's around 6,000 pesos, okay, na income, pero talagang nag-breakthrough ako on my second year doing the business. Okay, so part-time ko siyang ginawa, total income ko is 400,000 pesos, average of how much? That's around 33,000 pesos. Okay, third year ko in the business, okay, so lumaki siya, so that's 874, average of how much? That's 72,000 pesos. Okay, that was also the time, sabi ko, okay, why not gawin ko siyang full-time? So I resigned from my job and became one of the gold directors of Isana. Okay, so gold directors is around 200,000 pesos. I achieved this level no, at 24 years old. Okay, so imagine, no? And then left my job. Okay, so then nag-breakthrough tayo on my fourth year building the business. Okay, so that's around 3.2. Of course, full time ko na siyang ginagawa. Okay, so average of how much? Average of 268,000 pesos. So sabi ko, pwede ka namang katain so sa profession ko, kaya na it would take a lot of time, it would take a lot of effort. Tama? Eh, ang maganda dito sa kanya, it's a leverage business. But eventually, pwede siya maging passive. Okay, income in the long run. So, ito, pwede ko siyang kitain siguro 40 years. Okay, but yung sana kinita ko sa in a matter of 4 years. Now, ano yung point ka dito? Okay, you can save what? Okay, aside from the income, aside from money, you can also save time. Okay, so in my fifth year din, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Okay, na talagang yung potential ng business. Magkano lang naman yung nilabas ko sa iyo sana? Okay, that's around 20,000 pesos. Pero magkano yung binalik? Magkano yung kinikita ko every single month because of this opportunity. Okay, so that's around 450,000 pesos. Okay, so I became one of the Ruby director. Ito, pinaka-recent lang din to, last December, no? Last year, 1 month. Okay, that's around 545,000 pesos. Okay, imagine, no, for a business na wala naman ako operating expenses. Wala naman ako nare-rentahan. Wala naman ako pinapasweldo. Okay, so, di ba? So talagang net na talaga po yan. Okay, so, in fact, walang stress, okay? Yan. So, because of this opportunity, I was able to give back sa parents ko, napatayuan ko sila ng sariling bahay sa probinsya, okay? I was able to invest in some real estate properties, even bought my first house, first car, no? Okay, so, nakakatawa lang, tayo sana ka lang makakarinig. Okay, na bumili ng kotse na hindi pa marunong mag-drive, wala pa ang lisensya. Okay. So yung coaching binili ko, yan pa yung pinag-practicean ko. Okay, so of course na marami din tayo mga travel perks, no? So the first travel incentive that I experienced with Swedish Airlines was an Asian cruise. Okay, nandun ako po yung tatay ko. Imagine yung tatay ko, farmer. Okay, ilang years na siyang nagsasaka. Okay, sa amin, no? Never yun ang may na-imagine na pwede siyang makapunta ako. Okay, but because of this opportunity, nadala ko po siya sa Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. Okay, via an Asian cruise. Okay, so bali Indonesia, nadala ko yung kapatid ko, okay. Ano yung Vietnam, nadala ko din isang kapatid ko, okay, and many, many more, okay. So because of this business mo, talagang maraming travels, okay, hindi pa kasama dyan yung last year, no, okay. Recently, I was in Taiwan, okay, so imagine, no, yung Taiwan ko, ano yun, first time ko siyang ginawa. Okay, na nag-book ako ngayon, kinabukasin yung flight. Okay. So, imagine kung sa trabaho yan, hindi ko naman yung magagawa. Okay, number one, mahal yung ticket. Tama, okay. Tapos, ano din, kailangan ko pa mag-file ng leave. Okay, and it would depend kung ano yan? Ano yan sa Tagalog? Uh, i-approve, okay, yung leave, okay? So, in short, no, doing this business, it's not just about, okay, the income that you will be getting, okay? But it's all about living the life, okay, based on your own terms, okay? Sabi ko nga, I don't want a life na dictated by someone else. Dictated yung income, dictated yung time, okay, so on and so forth. Kasi gusto ko, I'm in control. Okay, so but more than the income is the person who you become. Okay, so imagine now the life, the people, okay, na may inspire mo, okay, because of your story, okay, doing this business. And the people na pwedeng mabago, okay, yung buhay because of this business. Okay, so in short, no, this business conference, it's all about changing lives. Okay, it's all about health, time, wealth, and even personal growth. Okay, so last na lang to na. Okay, so guys, no, I will leave you this one. Okay, so start. Okay, start something. Okay, that you will be thankful, 5 years, 10 years from now. Buti na lang, no, I started this opportunity 10 years ago. Okay, so talagang right now, so sobrang thankful ako sa tao na invite sa akin. Sobrang thankful ako with you sana, okay? Because of this opportunity talagang nabago yung buhay ko, okay? And you can start, no? Okay, by what? Okay, stop making excuses, okay? Ang dami ka rin excuse, okay? Yung sana was presented so to me, sobrang mahihain ko, wala ako pang start, wala akong capital, okay? Pero sometimes these are the excuses that will prevent us, okay, from getting our dreams. Right? So instead of having those excuses, why not find your compelling reasons? Bakit mo kailangan gawin to? Okay, para sa pamilya mo, para sa sarili mo, para sa mga pangarap mo. Okay, so of course, no, you have to take action. Okay, so maybe some of you are inspired mo, okay, with the stories na narinig natin, okay. So of course, with the how you sana opportunity is really great, okay. But sabi nga, okay, inspiration without taking action, okay, it's just what? Okay, walang mangyayari. Okay, so if you don't take action, okay, so first let's start by having positive attitude, okay, so no, yung iba sa atin, especially mga Pinoy, no, okay, so talagang instead na yung dapat mindset, okay, paano kung kumita? Okay, ang mindset most of the time, paano kung malugi? Okay, so instead of having those kind of mindset, why not turn it into positive? Okay, and of course, start to take risks. Okay, sabi nga, the most riskier thing to do right now is not taking risks at all. Okay, na yung buhay mo right now, if hindi mo gusto yung buhay mo, most likely, yan pa rin yung magiging buhay mo 5 years, 10 years ago. Right? Okay, and last but not the least, okay, trust. Okay, just trust you sana, trust the person who invited you, trust this company, trust the products. We have been in the industry, no, for the past 33 years. Okay, sa Philippines, no, 17 years na po tayo. Okay, and the most important thing is trust yourself. Okay, kasi more than anyone, okay, dapat ikaw, okay, believe ka sa sarili mo. Sabi nga, walang imposible sa taong malaki yung believe sa sarili mo. Right? So, no, if you don't want the next 10 years to be like the last, okay, 10 years, then now is the time to do something different. Okay, so I believe hindi accident. Nandito ka right now, okay, so there's a reason no, kung bakit I'm right now. Maybe you're praying for an opportunity, and yung sana opportunity might be the opportunity, okay, that will change your life for the better. Right? So that would be my part, no? Thank you so much, everyone. And I'm hoping, no, to welcome our guest, no, okay, to become a brand partner. Okay, sana. All right? Back to our host.
Grabe, thank you so much, Mentor Noy. Gusto ko yung nag-book ngayon, kinabukasan lipad na. Ayan. So, very inspiring, no? Yung decades has been in the company, 'di ba? Ano yung naging result niya na and more than yung personal, 'di ba, na nakuha niya is that ang dami niyang nadala towards getting to their very own picture of success din, 'di ba? So, yun yung pinaka-goal natin in life, yung maka-impact tayo sa buhay ng ibang tao din. So, before you leave, Mentor Noy, let's have a Zoom fee. Ayan, para meron tayong remembrance, 'di ba, sa araw na ito that you're able to grace us, 'di ba, despite your busy schedule. And this is also a testament, no, of how great our business is kasi si Mentor Noy is based in Davao, but then yung negosyo niya operating globally, o 'di ba? So, let's open our cameras. Ayan, sa mga hahabol pa. Okay, so please open your cameras and hold on. Okay, at spotlight lang ako for our speakers in this webinar. Okay, and I'm taking photo in 3, 2, 1, and smile. Alrighty, got it. Thank you again, Mentor Noy and Miss Joylyn, for your amazing sharing. We really appreciate your time and hope to see you soon in our business events in Yosana. So, to our guests, we will be having breakout rooms. You will be assigned with the person who invited you so you can discuss more how you can better start itong Yusana business. Kung may concern ka how to get started, siya yung perfect na tao that could give you the answers. Alright, so this has been your host, Lyra, and this is Yusana, your health, your life, your way. See you on our next team events. Bye!
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Mentor.